Welcome to our tutorial on how to receive Facebook notifications by email for pages you follow on your PC. Facebook has recently updated this feature, making it easier than ever to stay connected with your favorite pages. Let's dive right in and walk you through the simple steps to set this up. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to facebook.com. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on your Facebook homepage, look at the top right corner of the screen. You'll see a bell icon, which represents your notifications. Click on this icon to open the Notifications drop-down menu. Now in the Notifications menu, you'll notice 3 dots in the top right corner. Click on these dots to reveal more options. From the drop-down that appears, select Notification Settings. This will take you to a new page where you can customize all your notification preferences. On the Notification Settings page, you'll see various categories listed on the left side. Scroll down until you find Pages You Follow and click on it. This will open up the specific settings for page notifications. Here's where the magic happens. Look for the email option and toggle the switch next to it to turn it on. By enabling this, you'll start receiving email notifications for activities from the pages you follow. It's that simple. Remember, you can always come back to this settings page to adjust your preferences. If you find you're getting too many emails, you can easily turn off this feature or customize it further. By following these steps, you'll never miss an important update from your favorite pages again. Whether it's a new product launch, an upcoming event, or just an interesting post, you'll get all the notifications directly in your inbox. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and happy Facebooking!